टाइनी टॉट्स, मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप सब? वेरी फाइन, गुड. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, स्टे हेल्दी and always stay happy. So children, in my last video you have learnt about noun. What is noun? So just recap. What is noun? Naming words are called noun. Whatever around us, हम अपने चारों तरफ जो भी कुछ देख रहे हैं in the world, in the universe, whatever you are watching, everything has a name and everything is noun. All those names are noun. Nothing is there in the world which doesn't have any name. Everything has a name and that is called noun. Okay? Naming words. Naming words. Boy, girl, table, chair. Is it? Water, food. Everything is noun. Sun, moon, Jupiter, all planets, all mountains, all rivers. River word is also noun. And Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Gangotri. These are also noun. Okay, so this is noun. Now come to the point. Now in this video we will learn about kinds of noun. How many kinds of noun are there? There are 5 kinds of noun: proper, common, material, abstract and collective. Okay, 5 kinds of noun are there. Now here in this video we will learn about proper noun and common noun. What do we learn here? Proper noun and common noun. So kinds of noun. The first kind, proper noun. Just see, look at the screen. Proper noun, a special name given to any person, place, animal or thing. A special name given to any person, place, animal or thing. That is called proper noun. What is proper noun? Pay attention. What is proper noun? A special name. The key word is special name. Noun तो बहुत सारे हैं, but proper noun क्या है? A special name given to any person, any place, any animal or anything. That is called proper noun. बहुत सारे noun होते हैं. Everything is noun, I have told you. But proper noun कौन सा है? Special name of any person, any place, anything, any animal. That is proper noun. Understood? Like if we have a pet dog and my pet's name is Jackie. So Jackie is proper noun. We don't call Jackie to all street dogs or all dogs. No, we don't say Jackie to each one of them. Jackie is my pet dog. Jackie is a particular name of that dog. Jackie is proper noun. Proper noun is a particular name given to any person, place, animal or thing. Understood? Children, second one is common noun. Children, listen carefully. Proper noun, common noun हम लोग साथ में समझेंगे, तभी समझ में आएगा. If I'll explain proper separately and common separately, then you will not be able to understand. So correlate them, तब अच्छे से समझेंगे आप. Common noun. What is common noun? Look at the screen. A general name given to any person, place, animal or thing is called common noun. The key word is general name. The keyword of proper noun is special name and the keyword of common noun is general name. Okay, a general name given to any person, place or thing, that is called common noun. Now see the difference. What is proper noun and what is common noun? Like boy, boys are so many in the world, so boy is common noun. But Ram, Pavan, like here it is written Pavan, Geeta. So these are the name of Pavan, Ram, Rahul, Rohan, Ravi. Rakesh, Ajay, Anuj, Abhinav. These are the particular names. These are the names for particular boys. These are proper noun. But boy is common noun. Because boys are so many in the world. But Ajay, there are not so many Ajays. There are not so many Ram. There are not so many Shyam. There are not so many Pawan. Is it? But boys, each male person, each male child will be called boy. Yes? Each male child will be called boy. Each female child will be called a girl. But each girl will not be called Geeta, Sita, Madhuri, Rekha. Yes? So, like Adamya, Ishika, Avika, these are the names of particular girls. So, these names are proper noun, but girl is common noun. If you are in the class and if any teacher gives instruction that all the boys of the class stand up, okay, if any teacher gives you the instruction, boys stand up, then what will happen? All the boys in the class will stand. Yes? Yes? If the teacher instructed boys stand up, then all the boys will be standing in the class. Why? Because boys is a common word for male child. So, each boy will stand. But if any Pawan is there in the class and if the teacher says Pawan stand up, then only Pawan will stand, not all the boys, because Pawan is the name of a particular boy. Pawan is proper noun. Okay? In the same way, river. River. River is common noun. Why? So many rivers are there. But Ganga is proper noun because Ganga is the name of a particular river. River word is common noun because so many rivers are there. But the name of any particular river, Ganga, Yamuna, Gomti, Brahmaputra, Kaveri, Krishna, Satluj, these are the name of particular rivers. These are proper nouns. The name which is used for particulars, for any one, that is proper noun. But the name which is used in general for everyone, for everything, that is common noun. Okay? In the same way, city. So many cities are there. Lucknow, Kanpur, Agra, so many cities are there. City word is common noun. But Lucknow, Agra, Kanpur, Mumbai, these are proper noun because these are name of particular cities. These are proper noun. Understood? So, what is proper noun and what is common noun? Just try to identify the difference. A special name given to any person, place, animal or thing is called proper noun. But a general name given to any person, place, animal or thing is called common noun like boy, girl, river, city, etc. Like country. Country is also common noun because so many countries are there in the world. But India is only one. America, Africa, Arabia, Japan, China, yes, Russia. These are the name of particular countries. These are proper nouns. Understood? But country word is common noun because country is a common word. It is a general name given to a noun. That is country. That is common noun. So many countries are there. So the word which is given in general to everything, to everyone, that is common noun. But the name which is given to any particular, that is proper noun. Okay. Now in case of things, just like book, so many books are there. So book is common noun. Book word is common noun. But the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, Quran, Bible, Guru Granth Sahib, These are the names of famous books. Hamlet, King Lear, Othello, Shakespeare. These are the names of famous books. These are proper noun because we will not call each book Ramayana. हर बुक को हम रामायण नहीं कहते, हर बुक को हम गीता नहीं कहते. गीता एक पर्टिकुलर बुक का नेम है. गीता इज प्रॉपर नाउन, रामायण इज प्रॉपर नाउन. अंडरस्टूड? एंड in case of animals, all animals come under the category of common noun. जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं वो हमेशा कॉमन नाउन में ही आते हैं. एनिमल्स प्रॉपर नाउन में नहीं आते. बट इफ वी आर हैविंग एनी पेट एनिमल, सपोज यू आर हैविंग एनी पेट cat and its name is Pussy. Its name is Pussy. So Pussy is proper noun. Why? Because all the cats are not called Pussy. Pussy is your cat. So that is proper noun. It is a particular name for your cat. That is proper noun. Okay? I think proper noun and common nouns are clear to you. What is proper noun and what is common noun? That is why I am explaining these two kinds of noun together. अगर इन्हें अलग अलग एक्सप्लेन किया जाएगा तो बच्चे आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. एक साथ कॉरिलेट करके समझने की कोशिश करिए कि जो नेम किसी एक के लिए दिया जा रहा है सिर्फ, दैट इज प्रॉपर नाउन. और जो ऐसा नेम है जो सभी के लिए यूज किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉमनली यूज किया जाता है, दैट इज कॉमन नाउन. लाइक गर्ल, गर्ल बोलते हैं, गर्ल बोल रहे हैं तो गर्ल, सो मेनी गर्ल्स आर देयर. हर फीमेल चाइल्ड को हम गर्ल ही बोलेंगे. दैट इज कॉमन नाउन. ओके? बट like Seema, Ishika, Ishita, Abida, Zahra, these are the particular names for a particular girl. So these are proper noun. Okay? So proper noun and common noun. Remember the key word for common noun and proper noun. For proper noun, the key word is a special name. Always remember, a special name given to any person, place, animal or thing. And common noun, a general name given to any person, place, animal or thing. Okay, children? So children, in this video we have learnt about two kinds of noun. One is proper noun and the second one is common noun. So what is proper noun? Any special name given to any person, place, animal or thing, that is called proper noun. Okay? Just like Ram is the name of a particular person. Yamuna is the name of a particular river. India, name of a particular country. These all are proper nouns. Okay? But common noun. What is common noun? A general name given to any person, place, animal or thing. General name is a keyword for common noun and special name is a keyword for proper noun. Okay? So a general name given to any person, place, animal or thing, that is called common noun. Just like boy, girl, city, country, etc. Boy. Each male child will be called boy. Each female child will be called girl. City. So many cities are there. So it is common noun. Country. So many countries are there. This is also common noun. But India is the name of a particular country. It is proper noun. Yamuna is the name of a particular river. That is proper noun. Ram is the name of a particular boy. So it is proper noun. Remember children, proper nouns are always written with capital letters. And common nouns are always written with small letters. Okay? Proper noun you will write always with capital letter, whether it is in beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence or in the end of the sentence. Okay? प्रॉपर नाउन चाहे सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में आए, बीच में आए या लास्ट में आए, हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से ही लिखे जाते हैं और कॉमन नाउन स्मॉल लेटर से लिखे जाते हैं. अगर सेंटेंस बिगिन हो रहा है कॉमन नाउन से तब तो आप कैपिटल लेटर से लिखेंगे, बट अगर कॉमन नाउन बीच में आ रहा है तो वो हमेशा स्मॉल लेटर से ही लिखा जाता है. ओके, बट प्रॉपर नाउन ऑलवेज विल बी रिटन विथ कैपिटल लेटर. प्रॉपर नाउन को कभी भी स्मॉल लेटर से नहीं लिखते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर टुडे ओनली दिस मच. In my next video, I will tell you about remaining parts of the noun. 3 parts are left, so those 3 kinds of noun I will explain in my next video. Don't forget to watch my next video. Keep on watching videos. Subscribe my channel to get the notification of other videos. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye everyone.